If you're tired of managing your travel plans across emails, screenshots, and different apps, then this video is for you. Today, I'll introduce you to Tripit and show you why it's one of the best tools to plan and organize your trips easily, even if you're a complete beginner. Tripit is a smart travel planning app that helps you organize all your bookings in one place. Instead of manually creating an itinerary, Tripit does most of the work for you automatically. All you have to do is book your flight, hotel, or any activity, and then forward the confirmation email to Tripit. Within seconds, it creates a complete travel itinerary for you. This means no more searching through emails to find your booking details. Once your trip is created, you can access everything in one place: flight timings, hotel addresses, booking confirmations, and even tickets. The best part is that you can view all this information even when you're offline, which is very helpful during travel. You can also upload documents like boarding passes, PDFs, and travel documents, making it a complete travel organizer. Another great feature is that Tripit syncs your itinerary with your calendar and allows you to share your plans with friends or family. This makes coordination much easier, especially if you're traveling in a group. It also includes maps and directions, so you can quickly find routes, nearby places, and important locations during your trip. Tripit also offers a premium version called Tripit Pro, which gives you extra features like real-time flight alerts, reminders, and even notifications if your ticket price drops after booking. These features can help you save time and money while traveling. In simple words, Tripit is like your personal travel assistant. It collects all your bookings, organizes them into a clear plan, and keeps everything in one place so your trip becomes stress-free and easy to manage. So to sum it up, Tripit helps you plan smarter by organizing your travel details automatically, giving you easy access to everything and saving you time during your trip. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple travel guides like this. See you in the next video.